Now, different kind of label printers are going to use different kinds of labels. You might have heard the names thrown around a little bit. You have direct thermal and thermal transfer. Now, the real difference between the two is that one, when the heat is applied to the paper, instantly turns black. The other one actually requires a black resin roll that, when heated up, melts the ink to the paper. Well, that's fine and dandy, but we need to tell which is which between our label rolls. I so happen to have two of the exact same size labels. One's thermal transfer and one is not. The easiest way is quick, fast pressure, really simply with the edge of your fingernail. When we're going to try it, just swipe it on the first label. As you can see, we have nothing. Well, let's try the second one. Turns black instantly. Direct thermal, thermal transfer. So for this roll to print, it needs to be wound with the ink rubbed too. That will melt the image onto the label itself.